Hi everybody and welcome. I'm Dr. Suzie Carmack and I'm very glad you're here to join me for this practice of Tiger, also sometimes called Spinal Balance. We'll learn the traffic light method that I developed that is in my book Yoga for One. Let's begin by taking our hands on the chair seat, taking one leg at a time behind us, seeing how we do with our centering and our strength. If it's available, we can add an opposite arm reach, the right leg back and the left arm forward, and so on. Bending at the elbow before lengthening the arm, bending at the knee before lengthening the leg. Finishing with a gentle cat stretch when we're done to release any tension that might be in the low back. In the yellow zone, if getting to the floor is available today, we might play with the pose a bit, taking one leg at a time in a repeated fashion. We're doing our best to keep our spine neutral and centered. We can also take our blocks between the knees and play with balancing one arm at a time and seeing how we do, lengthening from the elbow and reaching the arm forward, keeping the low back and midsection stationary. This is asking a lot of our core, even in this subtle movement. Once we've found the lower and the upper body, we can start to work in opposition and maybe even flow the pose, bringing the elbow towards the knee. We add a little bit of a flexion of the spine there as we take the opposite elbow and knee towards each other. We can also add a gentle hip rotation on each leg, which is adding a little variety to the posture before moving in our opposite direction, bringing the opposite elbow to the opposite knee. In the green zone, we're working towards a bigger mobility challenge, but we'll still start small by moving one leg at a time and one arm at a time, and then seeing how we do working in opposition. We'll take the leg back and the opposite arm forward, trying to keep the hips and shoulders square. Then we can start to play with deeper core engagement and taking the hip out to the side. If it's available to us, we can see how we feel about taking the opposite arm around and open up into a modified bird. And there you have it. Tiger posture, also known as spinal balance and bird dog, in the traffic light method from my new book, Yoga for One. I hope that you'll check out the book and also join me for this entire series, which is dedicated to helping you and your clients to practice wisely. Take good care. Namaste.